Hi, this is Earth Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lower front cover on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new lower front cover for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This repair can be completed with your dishwasher installed. The lower front cover is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher and is held in place by two screws. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws holding the cover in place. Then, pull the cover away from the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new lower front cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the slots on the lower front cover to the screw holes on the bottom of the dishwasher. Then, reinstall the screws. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.